Okay, hi, this is Rick Rogers with American Consolidated Media, and today we're going to do a quick webinar on the Media Spectrum Ad Sales Pro interface. I know that we'll be doing some in-person training in the Wisconsin region coming up here shortly, but before then, wanted you to be able to see the program we're going to be using, so you have a great understanding of the product. So. As you can see, we are at the website. I'm going to go ahead and type it in again so you can see that. It is acmads.mediaspectrum.net. You'll come to the login screen here. You'll be given a username and a password. And I'm just going to log in. And now what you see right here is the dashboard. This is, I guess, what you would call the home screen of the ad sales system out of Media Spectrum. There are several functions. As you can see right here, what you'll always see is your most recent orders that have been placed. So these are the most recent orders that have been placed, and what you're seeing here is for the Valley region of ACM. So let's say, for example, you came back from a few hours out selling, and you have some ads to enter. And one of your customers was Holly's Candy Store. So we're going to search by customer, and we're going to put contains Holly. And now you'll see right here it's brought up Holly's Candy Store with her ad or customer number of ACM 40. And here are the most recent orders for Holly's Candy Store. And we want to place a new order because we went and saw Holly and she wanted to place a quarter page ad. So right here at this blue button, we're going to push Create New Order. And the first thing you'll do on this screen, and you'll always want to make sure and do this, is click Production Orders right here, because this is where you'll enter the information into ad sales. Okay, you have three choices. You have display production, you have a la carte bookings, and a la carte bookings would be for, let's say if you have an ad that is a special size, maybe it's an ad from an agency that is not one of the predetermined ad sizes, you would enter that there. And then you have special bookings. And special bookings would be for any promotions, like let's say a coupon page that would have its own special size. So we're going to do ad production. We're going to do one for, let's say we're going to choose the Valley Town Crier, which is one of our publications in McAllen, Texas. You're going to choose the zone. You may have zones or sections. The Valley Town Crier actually has quite a few. So we're going to choose the South Zone. We're going to choose the section A or B. Position is not being used at the moment. We're going to choose our dates, and they publish every Wednesday. So we're going to choose the 23rd, and we're going to choose the size. So as you can see here, okay, they are in order: one columns, two columns, three columns, four columns, and then there's a 1 5 column and then some 6 columns. Okay, so we're going to look for our quarter page vertical. So we're going to look for a 3 column by 8. So there's the quarter page vertical. Now you have production method. There are 3 different types of production methods that you will use. One is an in-house build, which is any new ad that is being created by one of our designers, or any camera ready ads. And then you would have a straight pickup. A straight pickup would be an ad that is already ran with 0 changes. So let's say this quarter page ad ran 3 weeks ago. And Holly wants to run the same ad, and she does not want to change a thing to it. Same size, same color, same content. That would be a straight pickup. Okay. And then you'd have also a pickup with changes. Maybe Holly wanted to run that ad from 2 weeks ago, and it's a quarter page ad, but she wants to change the price of one of her products, or she wants to change a picture for one of the products. That would be a pickup with changes. If there were several changes, maybe she wanted to change the entire content of the ad, even though it was the same size, that would be booked as a new ad. Really a pickup with changes is an ad that has very minimal changes to it. That's a pickup. So we're going to do a new ad. It's going to be a brand new ad. So we're going to choose in-house build. And then up here, you choose your color, black and white, full color, or spot color. We're going to choose a full color ad. Now under caption, this could be for placement of the ad. This also could be for if it was being placed in a special area or a special section of the newspaper. So we're going to just put, we like to, placement on page 3 if possible. Okay. The pickup ad number, if it was a pickup ad, this is where you would put the ad number of the ad you were picking up. But this is a brand new ad, so you will not have that. And then the external ad number is if you're using PBS or Vision Data or any other type of external ad, that number would go here. So in the Valley, we're using PBS to still do our bookkeeping function, so we're going to put a PBS number right there. Okay, we're going to click Add to Order. All right, you'll see it right here in the print area, and it's there. And we're going to click Place Order. And that order has been placed. So let's go back and see our dashboard. Okay, and then you'll see right here, Valley Town Crier, status placed, right here at the top, start date of the 23rd, and it is a 3-column by 8-inch ad. So we've already placed that order. Now we will want to go to eProofs, and that is acm.mediaspectrum.net/eProofs. Now eProofs is what you will use to upload your materials to build the ad and also to do all your proofing into the system. So I'm going to type in my username and password. And you'll see right here, Holly's Candy Store. Status is booked. Okay, it's a quarter-page vertical, 3x8. It's going in the Valley Town Crier. The run date of the 23rd of November. So we're going to select this ad. And this is where we would upload our materials. You'll see the ad has now an ACM ad number. Okay. Under User Files is where you would upload all your materials for them to build the ad. And it's very simple. Right here where it says Choose File is where you would upload your photos. Photos can be in JPEG, they can be in EPS format. Really JPEG is the best because of compression and size issues. It will increase your upload speed. You can also upload documents, Word documents, PDFs, text files. So, let's say, for example, Holly gave you a poster of a flyer that she's also passing out, and she wants that to be the ad. You can actually take a picture of that folder, or of that flyer with your smartphone, maybe email it to yourself, or you could go to the copier or scanner and scan that and email it to yourself and then attach it as a PDF to it. So I'm not going to do that, but what you would do is just select, well, let's go ahead and do that. Why not? Let's pick a PDF here. We're just going to pick this. Okay. We're going to click open and we're going to upload. So let's imagine that was a flyer. And then now that material is there. Now there's one thing. You've uploaded your materials, but you still have to let the ad folks know, the design folks know that the ad is being ready to be built. So you're going to click on comments. Okay, and under comments, you're going to add a comment. You're going to add materials in. You're going to add comment. Okay, now the status of that ad has changed. So let's go back. Let's go to the home screen. Now you'll see Holly's Candy Store. The status has been changed to material in. By changing that status, by uploading your materials and making a comment, that lets the designer know that they can start building that ad. So really quickly, as you can see, it took, about 5 minutes to book the ad, to upload the materials, and now you'll wait for the designers to come and design your ad. So there's a quick blush on how to book an ad and how to upload your materials into eProofs. Check more of our videos on how to do the proofing in eProofs and also how to upload ads that are being booked as pickup or pickup with changes. Thanks. This is Rick Rogers. Any questions? Email me at rogers@amconmedia.com.